Bitcoin and short in the pound dollar. I'll walk you through what I have trading starting top down here on the daily chart. This price action here, we've got a swing high back here from last week, and then this swing low here, or from about a week and a half ago for the swing high, and last week here for the swing low. Then price action delivers here to the buy side, putting in a bullish fair value gap or a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here. And then price action, this is the 3 candle pattern here for the fair value gap. And then price action trades into that fair value gap during yesterday's price action, and price closed above the fair value gap. So price has been respecting the fair value gap. I'll zoom in a little closer, you can see. So price respecting the fair value gap, closing above it. Then this candle today trades back down into the fair value gap. That's when I'll come over here to the 1 hour chart. And you can see where price here in this area sweeps this swing low right here. And then price closes back with inside the range here of this swing low. And then price continues delivery here to the buy side. Then price pulls back here to the sell side. And then I take an entry here, and I'll walk you through that entry here on the 5-minute chart. So here on the 5-minute chart, you can see price delivering to the sell side, putting in a lower low, a higher low, lower low, or not bad, putting in a lower low, a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then price shifts to the buy side here, putting in a high, lower or higher low, higher high. Then shifts to the sell side, putting in a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then shifts back to the buy side here. I took an entry when price traded back down to this level here, which is the change in a state of delivery level here, which forms a bullish order block. So in this case, that would form a bullish order block, and then we can see price start to return to the buy side, putting in a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, putting in a higher low, and potentially about to put in another higher high and go for a break above this price level here. And my target is the high of yesterday's candle here. So there's going to be buy side liquidity resting above this level, and I want to target that with the price delivery algorithm. Let's see here. So my entry is 68,305.3, stop loss 68,07.7, and take profit is 7903.4 for Bitcoin. And hop over to Forex. I'm currently trading pound dollar to the short side. This trade is based off of the 60-minute chart, mostly here. I'll bring your attention first to the daily chart. So originally having a long bias on the day, with this previous candle here being swept, and then a return to buy side delivery, but price never reached the high or the buy side liquidity resting above this candle here. So I was looking for a price to redeliver to that area. It did. Didn't provide an entry for that area. But when it did reach profit target here on the daily, I looked at price here on the 1 hour chart, and price on the 1 hour chart had swept a swing high here in the kill zone right here. So this swing high sweeps out this buy side liquidity resting above this area here on the 60-minute chart. So that triggered a potential sell idea. and then has me looking for a change in the state of delivery on the 5-minute chart. So if we come over here to the 5-minute chart, you can see this buy side delivery coming in, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and now potentially price to come in and put in a lower low here to show a market structure shift here to the sell side. But before then, what we have with price action here is this price action here sweeps out this buy side liquidity here. When that buy side liquidity here is swept out of the market, then I'm looking for my change in a state of delivery, which comes in right here at this level where I entered at the open of this candle. And then I've had my stop back here, and then my take profit is the swing low associated with the swing high on the 1-hour chart. So here on the 1-hour chart, this is the swing high right here, and this is my swing low right here. So I'm going to target the swing low here on the 60-minute, and you can see here my target. So my entry is at 1.36513, stop loss 1.36630, and take profit is 1.36062. So we'll see how price action delivers here. So far, price delivering to the sell side here. And then there's the possibility that here on the daily, if today's candle, let's say closes with the body candle close below yesterday's candle, there's a possibility for continuation. Also the fact that this buy side liquidity here has been swept, there is a probability that price could trade for this swing low position here. So depending on how today's candle closes, may present a trading opportunity for sell side liquidity resting below this swing low here. Far so good, price action delivering to the sell side in my direction here in pound dollar. And we'll head back over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin still holding here at the 68,900 level. So I'll let price play out on these two pairs. If all goes well, we'll get to profit target today on this Bitcoin, and also on pound dollar. Pound dollar being a trade based off of the hourly chart, is more likely to reach profit before Bitcoin, which is a trade here off of the daily chart. But depending on how price action is, that could change. But so far, both of them are headed into target direction, and if all goes well, to take profit on both of these today. If you have any questions or would like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Stay on tilt, never emotional. We'll see you next time.